What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Little Scale Cars YouTube channel. Quick little unboxing video here just for fun of the Formula 1 5-pack. So I have not been able to find the singles in store at all, but last night did manage to find this 5-pack, which is pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and open it because I'm really interested to see how well the casting itself came out. Alrighty, I was pretty careful with opening it because I did want the package to actually stay in fairly good condition, just in case I don't find another one of these to keep on card. And get this out of the way. And we'll just start down here at the bottom with the Haas. Oh wow, this is actually a lot heavier than I was thinking that was going to be. So, got the little driver inside there. The only issue that I've seen is right there. That's the wheel guards. Not sure why that's there. That's actually very annoying. But yeah, these are pretty cool. This is better than I thought it was going to be, in all honesty. I wish I could find the Red Bull and the Williams on singles, but it is what it is. What does that base say? Since we do know this is all the same casting, it just says Formula 1 Collection. Very interesting. So I'm very curious to see if we could get this casting down the line with some fantasy decos on it. Definitely cool there. There's the Haas. Next up, we have the Sauber, Kick Sauber. I'm a little surprised that they got all the sponsors on this one especially, at least most of the sponsors. Very cool there. Again, these are all the same casting, just with unique decos, which is fine for the mainline price point. I think the premium ones are unique castings, which is pretty cool. Here is Toro Rosso. I know they're not called Toro Rosso anymore, but I don't remember what they are called now. So they're going to be Toro Rosso. Let's see if it says on the package here. Visa, Red Bull, Cash App. All right. I'm not a huge Formula 1 fan, if you haven't figured that out right now. I do watch on occasion, but for the most part, it's not my favorite form of motorsport. Here we have the Alpine, very cool here. Nice matte black paint here versus the shiny gloss black that the rest have. Very cool. Definitely dig that. I'll put pictures here. After we get done here. And then finally, here's the highlight of the pack. In my opinion, it's McLaren. Filming this the same day as the first 2025 GP, and Lando Norris did just take the W there. So that was kind of cool. Is this Lando's car? It doesn't actually have a number on it. So, yeah, I guess those are just kind of a generic, just the liveries, no numbers on them. I didn't actually notice that until right just then. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this mix and these cars and this casting in the comments down below as I wreck the whole field here. And yeah, guys, what do you think of these? These are pretty cool in my opinion. Have you found the Red Bull and the Williams on card yet? Let me know down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.